Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today, I am gonna tell you how to use Yelp data scraper. First of all, you need to download the software from the website www.toshsoftwares.com. After download and install, just open the software. Now enter the keyword and the location name related to your search. And click on the Start button. The data will be start collecting. When the data is collected in the form of tables, just click on Save button to export the data in Excel sheet. So guys, I hope that you understand the video completely. Thanks for watching.